Welcome to Biz Dev Live with Cameron Toth. I'm so excited to talk to you today. Are you a financial planner? Are you an insurance salesperson? Are you under the impression that you can't do social media? You can't put video content out there because compliance, because your company says that what you're going to do may not be approved, so you shouldn't do it. The story today, the message today is one that I think will resonate with you and allow you a little bit of freedom to understand that you can promote your business, you can promote yourself online in social media. We'll talk about the way to do it. I'm going to get into the Biz Dev theme song, and I will be right back with you.
Biz Dev Live, weekdays at 11 Eastern Time. Biz Dev Live, weekdays at 11 Eastern Time. Biz D with C, brought to you by Cameron T. Biz D with C, brought to you by Cameron T. This is business development, not even selling it. This is intelligent. If you watch it, I promise you benefit. Leadership and motivation, empathy and inspiration. Leadership and motivation, empathy and inspiration. Biz Dev Live, weekdays at 11 Eastern Time. Biz Dev Live, weekdays at 11 Eastern Time. Biz D with C, brought to you by Cameron T. Biz D with C, brought to you by Cameron T.
Please submit your comments and questions below. So we're going to get into it, right? So financial advisors can't use social media to ask for testimonials, leverage case studies, and other compliance restricted content, but they can still engage targeted audiences with timely financial news, build authority through useful articles and posts, and build those all important relationships. So what can you do? You can share articles from the New York Times in your social feed. You can share articles from your company that your company is putting out. Content is content is content. You can say, hey, I'm having a great time. I'm hanging out at Joe's Diner today, meeting with clients. There is nothing wrong with that. And before you get into, well, I'm not allowed to say that, well, find the part that you are allowed to say. It comes down to a personal level. You can build community. Can you set up private Facebook groups? And I'm going to do a little wink, wink here. What you do in terms of what is something that is actionable or challenging. Now, posting videos of yourself giving, financial advice that you shouldn't be giving, probably not a great idea, which is why they are wanting to, keep you restricted to a private phone call or something that, you really aren't going to get, put out there, copied and pasted. But this is the thing. You can share personal insight about who you are, why you're passionate about what you're going to do, and that is going to bring people to your door. That is the reason that somebody's going to want to pay attention to you. There are articles. If you just go on to Google and, type in, I'm an insurance salesman, what can I post on social media? You're going to find articles. Now you got to look at the stuff with common sense and look through and see, what applies to you and what doesn't, because everybody has different rules, works with different companies, but a lot of the rules are very similar. So, posting stories about clients saving money, sharing your competition's rate increases, something, in terms of what charity donations your company is making. Are you talking about the other lines of insurance that you're offering in terms of maybe most of your clients are taking auto or home insurance? Are you selling some other lines? Because a lot of the people that you're connected with are already customers. So are you able to sell some of the other things? So just by putting it out there that you sell these other things, staying front and present with your clients is really a big deal. Announcing new products, getting excited about the things that you do, sharing testimonials for insurance agents, while not allowed for financial advisors, may be allowed for insurance agents, right? Posting great insurance commercials or great commercials that your firm has done. These are things that can be done to get people excited. And while you may not be able to share financial or insurance regulated information, you can just put a general piece out on social media saying, hey, I really appreciate your referrals, right? That is something that you can do. Going into Twitter and using the tools like local Twitter search to find your customers and to interact with them online. You say, hello, I'm a financial advisor. Hello, I sell insurance. You may be interested in these products. These are things that aren't going to get in trouble. You won't get in trouble from a regulatory standpoint, and they're using social media to get the word out. Post news about growth, share horror stories of people that didn't get a policy or didn't get financial advisement, offer policy reviews. Hey, I'll check out your stuff and we'll review it for free. Not going to get you in trouble with regulatory, not going to get you in trouble, but is going to get your information out there. And then for the things that you can share in terms of your team and who you're working with, sharing, so that you're in front of your customers. Be where they are. If they live on Facebook, if they live on LinkedIn, if they live on Instagram, if they live on TikTok, and your customers of the future, they live on TikTok right now. So be where they are. Be present. When people search on that social media platform for this name insurance company, this name financial advisor, are the results going to show up? Are you a part of the conversation? Stop saying you can't do it. There's too much regulation. Find the ways that you can be there, be successful, do the easy things like taking the information that your company is already putting out and putting it on your social media profile, putting some feel-good quotes, some financial advice from Benjamin Franklin, and a great local picture of the community square. Get creative, have fun with it, set an hour aside to set up 30 posts on Instagram with quotes or content that's already been created by your company. Stop making excuses, get it done. I hope this has been helpful. Looking forward to your comments and questions. Please follow up with me if I can be helpful to you. Have a great day. And remember, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for alerts. I'll see you soon.
Biz Dev Live, weekdays at 11 Eastern Time. Biz Dev Live, weekdays at 11 Eastern Time. Biz D with C, brought to you by Cameron T. Biz D with C, brought to you by Cameron T. This is business development, not even selling it. This is intelligent. If you watch it, I promise you benefit. Leadership and motivation, empathy and inspiration. Leadership and motivation, empathy and inspiration. Biz Dev Live, weekdays at 11 Eastern Time. Biz Dev Live, weekdays at 11 Eastern Time. Biz D with C, brought to you by Cameron T. Biz D with C, brought to you by Cameron T.